Come on. Everyone look at me. 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. Come on. Everyone look at me. 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. Very good. Now, from today onwards, students, we will change this. From today onwards, students, we will change this. Whenever I say class, attention grabber to. So whenever I say class, like this. So you just have to look at the screen like this. Okay. Ready? Okay. So 1. Ready? 2. Myra, come on, look at 1, me. 2. Myra, come on, look at me. Class. Very good. So whenever I say class, very good. You just have to come in front of the camera. Class, no, you just have to come in front of the camera. Yeah. So, okay, come on everyone, sit on your place, sit up straight everyone. Come on everyone, Naman, sit on your place, sit up straight everyone. Very good, Magati. Naman, come on. Very good, Magati. Very good. Yeah, rest over the students, Costa, Batul, Rumesa. Yeah, rest over the students, please open your videos. Batul, Rishika, Rumesa. Everyone, please open your videos. Rishika. Yeah, Anamika also. Mohiddin Ghosh, Ayush Tiwari. Also. Mohiddin Ghosh, Ayush Tiwari. Yeah. So class. Yeah. So class. Very good. Yeah. So come on everyone, hold your hands. Yeah. See, so come on everyone, hold your hands. See, nothing should be in your hands. Empty hands and fold your hands. And empty hands, fold your hands. Like this. And sit up straight. Fold your hands. You should sit like this. And sit up straight. You should sit very straight. Good. So, in today's class, students, we are going to learn in today's phonic sound of rest over the letters. Okay, the phonic sound of after that phonic sound. Okay, I want you all after to sit with phonic sound, pencil. I want you all to sit with book and pencil, anything. Or else crayons. Or if you don't have this, also you can sit with slate also. Or if you don't have this, also you can sit with slate also. Come on, everyone. I will give you 2 minutes. To go and bring pencils, I will give you 2 minutes, whatever you have, to go and bring for writing purpose, slate, crayons, whatever you have. No, today we have for writing draw something. Okay, today we have to draw something. Ready? Yeah. So first students, come on everyone. Yeah. So first students, come on everyone. When I say 5, no. We will sing together the phonic sound of letter from we will sing together the phonic sound of letter from A to Z. 2. Okay. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 3. I see how I am sitting. Everyone sit like this. I see how I am sitting. Yeah. Everyone sit like this. First one A. Yeah. So first one A. A. B. Ba. B. Ba. Ka. C. Ka. D. Da. D. E. Da. F. E. F. 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 Okay. So now everyone, first I will read. Okay. So now everyone, first I will read. Can give you chance. You have to start with from first letter. Can give you chance also. Arban, can you hear me dear? From first letter only. Okay. Arban, can you hear me dear? A. Yeah. A. Repeat. Come on everyone. A. Repeat. Come on everyone. A. B. 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 C. Ka. C. Ka. C. Ka. C. Ka. D. Da. D. Da. D. Da. D. Da. E. F. E. F. Come on, everyone, do with me. E. Come on, everyone, do with me. Come on. E. F. Cost of you one. Come on. F, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, E, I, E, I, E, I, E, J, 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 D, J, D, J, K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 and Ma. Okay? And Ma. Ma. Okay? And Ma. Na. N. Na. Na. Come on, everyone, repeat with me. Come on, everyone, repeat with me. N. Na. N. O. Na. O. 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 You have to make a circle on your lips, okay? You have to make a circle on your lips, okay? Ehan Janif, come on, dear, look at me and read. Ehan Janif, come on, dear, look at me and read. P. Parrot. Parrot. P. P. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Q. Quack. Q. Quack. Quack. Queen. Okay. Quack. Queen. Okay. Q. Quack. R. 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 S. 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 T. 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 U. Umbrella. Okay. Umbrella. 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 V. Okay. V. 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 W. X. 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 Y. 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 Y, Y, Z, 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 Z. Okay, very good. Come on, everyone, please clap for yourself. Come on, everyone, please clap for yourself. So, everyone, now I want you all to take out your notebook. I want you all to take out your notebook. Show me the notebook if you are ready. Show me in the air. Show me the notebook if you are ready. Like this, show me in the air. Notebook and pencil, crayon. Like this, if you have notebook, chalk, and whatever pencil, you have, crayon. No? Just show me. Very good, Costa. Chalk, whatever you have, no? Just show me. Very good, Costa. Janif, very good. Ehen, Janif, very good. Yuvan Kaushik. 7B22 Myra, this is 7B22 Myra, this is and who else? And who else? Yeah, Anamika, Mehreen, Riti, Radhika, yeah, Anamika, Mehreen, Riti, Radhika, Diana, very good. Diana, very good. Yeah, very good. Rumesa Konen, Anam, yeah, very good. Rumesa Konen, Sumaya Shaista, Anam, Sumaya Shaista, Charvisha, Arban, Vishika Agarwal, ready, Arban, dear? With the notebook? Vishika Agarwal, ready, yeah, dear? Ifra Beg. With the notebook? Very Ifra Beg. Now, come on, everyone. Take out your notebook. Now, come on, everyone. Take out your notebook. And the letter I am telling to you. And the letter I am telling to you. One thing from that letter. You have to draw one thing from that letter. If I ask you, one letter B. If I ask you, a letter B. B. So for ball. I can draw ball. So for ball. I can draw ball. Bat. I can draw bat. Balloon. Basket. Balloon. Berries. Okay. Berries. So you have to think. So you have to think. Parents, let's not help the kid. Parents, let's not help the kid. In drawing, you can help. But let them think with the letter which I give them. But let them think with the letter which I give them. Then only ask them to draw. So just give the hints. Then only ask everyone them ready? To draw. Just give the hints. Everyone ready? Let's do it on ourselves, students. Come on. Let's do it on ourselves, students. Ready? Come on. Ready? Everyone? That's great. Very good. That's great. Now, very good. I want now. The first letter is which I am going to give you now. First letter. Is, come on, everyone. First class. Is come on, everyone. First class. See, whenever very good, Diana. So whenever I see class, whenever you have very good Darban, you have to come in front of the camera. Whenever I see class, no, you have very good Darban. You have to come in front of the camera. Come on, class. Okay. Come on, class. Very good. So the first letter is students. Listen to me very good. The first letter is students. Come on, Yuvan. Listen to me very good. Carefully. And Naman, come on, Yuvan. The first letter is S. Think, students, think. Anand, come on. Think, dear. Students, everyone, Anand, come on. Think by yourself. Think, dear. Tell your parents, everyone, S for this, S for think that. Think by yourself. Mommy, tell your parents and mommy, S for this, S for that. Mommy, this. Okay. Rumesa, you have to draw, dear. Draw something with S. Rumesa, you have to draw, dear. Draw something with S. Come on. Sun. Okay, Arban is drawing sun. Okay, Rumesa is drawing sun. Okay, Arban is drawing sun. Rishika Agarwal, Rumesa has drawn sun. Okay, I can see. Rishika Agarwal, Ifra. Sumaya, Myra. Diana. Naman has done coloring also. Naman has done coloring also. Like Anam, for those also what you have drawn, dear? Anam, for those also what you have drawn, dear? Yuvan. Yuvan, spoon. Myra has drawn spoon. Very good. Spoon. Myra has drawn spoon. Very good. Think out of the box. See, students, think. Just look at your surrounding. If you didn't find the word with the letter, look at your surrounding. If you didn't find the word with the letter, which I find the letter with. Just look around your things with that letter. You will find the letter. Okay. Very good. Things with that letter. Okay. Mayukha. Very good, Naksh. Everyone, great job, students. Everyone, great job, students. Shall I give you the next letter? Now, everyone is ready. Shall I give you the next letter? Everyone is ready. Alishba Zehra, ready, dear? Yeah. Alishba Zehra, ready, dear? The next letter, Hardit Singh. Now, the next letter, Hardit Singh, from your first letter. Okay. Next the letter from your first letter. Okay. Next letter is H. H. Think, students. Think, students. Think. Great. Very good. Great. Very good. Very good, very good. Come on, everyone, express yourself. Very good. Come on, everyone, express yourself. Hot dog also you can draw. Hot dog also you can draw. Hat, very good. Hat. Very good. Hat. Hen, see, very good. House, hen, see, very good. House. Heart, very good. Heart, very good. Think, students, okay? Think and draw. Hand, very good. Students, okay? Think and draw. Hand, very good. See, your body part. Very good. It's in your hand. Body parts, your body part. H for hand. Very good, students. Great effort. Very good, students. Great effort. Happy. Okay, happy. Happy. Okay, happy. Very good. See, students, very good. Think. See, students, think and draw. Think and draw. Very good. See, Charvisha, how she is drawing. No, she is putting her hand on the slate. Very good. See, Charvisha, how she is drawing. No, she is putting her hand on the slate and she is tracing it. Very good. Naman is using colorful. Naman is very creative. Naman is using colorful. Naman is very creative. Naman. And I'm doing no. Kaustav. Zoya Z. And I'm doing no. Kaustav. Your name is Ibrahim. Zoya Z. Arban. Yeah, your Arban. Name is Ibrahim. No. Arban. Meherin done. Yeah, Arban. I'm coming on your screen. Meherin done. Very good. Coloring. You also do coloring. Great. Very good. Coloring. You also do coloring. Great. See, Rishika has drawn something like face. See, Rishika has drawn something like also face. Showing to express happiness. Smiley face, I think. So she is also showing to express happiness. Yeah. Now. Next letter. Next letter. C. Conan Aslam, wait dear, I will. Yeah, Conan Aslam, wait dear, I will. Yeah, Conan, unmute and tell me dear.
मैम.
Yes dear.
मैम मुझे थिंग.
Yes dear.
नहीं समझ में आया. मुझे थिंग.
Sorry, I'm not getting you. आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया? Sorry, I'm not getting you. आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया? Think.
She's not understanding that what is thing. She's not understanding that what is thing.
Think. Okay. Think is nothing but dear. सोच बोलते ना, सोचो नथिंग बट डियर, सोच बोलते ना, सोचो, इमेजिन करो कि टी फॉर क्या था, मम्मी ने आज खाने में क्या बनाया, टी फॉर क्या था, मम्मी ने आज खाने में क्या बनाया, सुबह में पोटैटोज थे, तो शायद मम्मी ने पोटैटोज थे कुछ बनाया, सो वी विल थिंक नो, मम्मी ने पोटैटोज का कुछ बनाया, सो वी विल थिंक नो, या दैट इज थिंक. See, I will use action also, no? Think. We will do it with our brain. I will use action also, no? Okay. We will do it with our brain. Okay. Yeah, very good. Thank you for this query. Yeah, very good. Thank you for this query. Very good. So everyone done? Very good. So everyone done? C for cup. Very good. C for Rumesa. C for dear cup. Parrot. Very good. C for Rumesa. C for dear parrot. Urban, what is that, dear? C for cup. Urban, what is that, dear? C for cup. Saying cup, 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 cup. Saying cup, 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 cup. Cat. See, Diana has drawn cat also. See, pretty cat. Cat. See, Diana has drawn cat. You have to draw with pretty cat. Cream. That is. Kanan, you have to draw with cream means it starts with I. That is. Ice cream means it starts with I. Cat, very good. Someone 7B. Cat, very good. Someone 7B. Kon, acha, Myra, that is Myra, okay. Kon, acha, Myra, that is Myra, okay. Ifra, Radhika Rani, come on. Okay. Rudra, come on, dear. Radhika Rani, come on. Rudra, come on, dear. Naksh, come on. Musfira. Naksh, come on. Namika, come on. Zoya Z. Namika, come on. Rishika, Zoya Z. Very good. Rishika, very good. Very good. Come on, dear. Mayukha, very good, dear. Very good. Come on, dear. You have drawn cactus. Mayukha, very good, dear. What, but you are able to see. You have drawn cactus. That is not able to see. See crayon. Okay. See crayon. Urban. Yeah, good. Cup. Okay. Yeah. See Charvisha has drawn. Yeah, good. Carrot cup. Also carrot. Yeah. See Charvisha has drawn. Carrot also. Carrot starts with C. Very good. Kaustab. Carrot. Very good. Kaustab. Jumesa. Yeah. Now the next letter. Yeah. Class, now, class. The next letter. Class, class. Very good. Very good. First up, see, whenever I say class, class, no, you have to come in front of the camera like this. Whenever I say class, class, no, you have to come in front of the camera like this. Come on, class, class. Okay, everyone. Come on, class, class. Very good. Now, the next letter, students. Very good. The next letter, students. The next letter is F. 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 F for F. F for F for F for. Come on, Rudra, Myra. Come on, Musfira, think. F. Come on, Rudra, Myra. Come on, Musfira, think. I'm not getting F for. I'm not getting F for. Very good. Fish, Arvan said. Very good. Fish, Arvan said. You can draw fish. Fish. You can draw fish. You can draw fan, flower. Very good, Rumesa. Fan, flower. Very good, Rumesa. Think, students. Think and draw. Think, students. Think and draw. Fan. Very good. Fish, flower. Fan. Very good. Fish, flower. Next, come on, dear. Think. Next, come on, dear. Think. Charvisha, Zoya Zed, Anamika, Mehreen, Supra Patil, Zoya Zed, Anamika, Mehreen, Mayuka doing no? Patil, come on, dear. Mayuka doing no? Alishba Zehra, very good. Ritika Rani, very good. Ritika Rani, very good. Kanan, Ifra, Kanan, Myra, Musfira, Myra, and Musfira. Sanvi and Vivansh doing. And Sanvi and Vivansh doing. Myra, very good. Myra Salim. Myra, very good. Myra Salim. Very good. Very good. Rishika Agarwal. Very good. Very good. Rishika Agarwal. Now, the next letter. Now, the next letter is. Come on, everyone. Look at me. Look at me, everyone. Look at me. Next letter is E. Next letter is E. 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 E for Ihan Janif. You can write your name also. You can draw yourself. That is Ihan. You can write your name also. You can draw yourself. That is Ihan. Because your name starts with E, no? Egg. Very good. Egg. Very good. Eyes. Very good. Eyes. Come on. Very good. Egg, eyes, egg, eyes. After that, egg, eyes, egg, eyes. After that, something new. Come on, come on. Something new. Come on, come on. Egg, eyes. Only I can see on my screen. Eyes. Only I can see on my screen. This one, you know? A long trunk. This one, you know? Nose. A long trunk. Very good. Rumesa has drawn elephant. Look at nose. Yeah, very good. Rumesa has drawn elephant. Naksh, what it is, dear? I am not able to see. Naksh, what it is, dear? I am not able to see. Eyes. Eyes. Okay. Eyes maybe. Yeah. Eyes maybe. Yeah. Very good. Urban, very good. What you have done, eyes only, no? Yeah. Urban, very good. What you have done, eyes only, no? Yeah. Ears also, very good. Ears also, very good. Naman, what is that, dear? Can you please describe it? Naman, what is that, dear? What you have drawn? Can you please describe it? Tell me. E for what you have drawn? E for egg. Okay. I thought what is blue in color? Egg. So okay. I thought very good. Blue in color. So it was like black color. Yeah, very good word. Black color. Yeah. Now the next letter. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Now the next letter. Okay. Ready, everyone? Ready? Yeah. Ready, now, everyone? The next letter is now my next letter that is M, because my favorite letter that is M, because I love yellow in color and it's sweet. It is yellow in color and it's sweet. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Very good. Myra is ready with mango. Yarban. Very good. Myra is ready with mango. Yarban. Mesa. Charvisha. Zoya. Mesa. Zed. Zoya Zed. Zoya. Sanvi, come on, dear. Zed. Show me Zoya Hardit Singh. Sanvi, come on, dear. Show me Hardit Singh. Very good. Very good boy. Very good. Very good boy. Sumaya. Ayush. Sumaya. Ayushman, show me, dear, what you have drawn. Anam, very good. Ayushman, show me, dear, what you have drawn. Anam, very good. Mountain. See, everyone look at my Mayukha's book. Mountain. See, everyone look at my Mayukha's book. Monkey, Rumesa, very good. Mountains as well. Monkey, Rumesa, very good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Thank you. Yeah, we are done with this, students. Thank you. Come on, everyone. Yeah, we are done with this, students. Come on, everyone. Please clap for yourself. Done. Great job you people have done. Very good, very good. Now, very good. As you are done with this, so it's time to celebrate. As you are done with this. So it's time to celebrate with Baby Shark poem. So let's celebrate it with Baby Shark poem. Ready? Everyone, come on, stand straight. Come on, stand straight. Stand straight, everyone. Stand straight, everyone. Yeah, very good. Come on. Yeah, very good. Come on. 2, you have to do the actions as well as you have to sing with me. You have to do the actions as well as you have to sing with me. Yeah. Okay. 1. Everyone. 2. Yeah. 1. 3. start. 2, baby 3, shark, start. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end. Yeah, very good, very good. You want to sing for me? Very good, everyone? Very good. You want to sing for me? Yeah, everyone. Let me unmute you all, okay? Yeah, let me unmute you all, okay? Everyone, students, you have to sing for me this everyone, poem. Okay. Students, you have to sing for me this poem. Okay. On the countdown of 3, you have to start. 1. On the countdown of 3, you have to start. 1, 3. Come on, everyone, start. 3. Come on, everyone, start. Come on, louder, louder. Everyone has to sing. Come on, louder, louder. Everyone has to sing. Yeah. So everyone, yeah. What you have to do today is you have to take what you have to do today is okay. You have to take my name is Sumayya, no? Okay. So I will write my name is Sumayya on the paper. So I will write my spelling on the paper. Okay, wait. I will show you how to do that. Look at me, everyone. Look at me, everyone. Today your homework is, just look at the screen. Today your homework is, first you have to write your name on the top. First you have to write your name on the top. Okay, for example, like this, I will write my name. Okay, everyone. So my name is Sumaya, no? Okay,
So
everyone.
how many letters
So my name
I
is
have?
Sumaya,
Different
no?
letters.
So how many
See,
letters I
S,
have? Different letters. See, S, U, M. MM is 2 times, no? So I will take only 1 time. MM is 2 times, no? So I will take only 1 time. Y, M, 5 letters. A, so I will write here 5 letters. S, so I will write here S, M, U, M, A, and Y. And I have to draw with these letters something with these letters. With these letters something with these letters. For example, I will draw sun here. Okay. For example, I will draw sun here. Okay. I will draw umbrella here. Okay. I will draw umbrella here. And for mango, I will draw. And for mango, I will draw. Apple, I will draw. Okay. A for apple, I will draw. And Y for? I will do if and Y for I don't know anything, no? So I will color it. I will do if because Y for yellow is also there, no? So I will color it. Because Y for yellow is also there. Yellow. Okay. Yellow. So like the students, okay, you have to write your name and find different letters in your name. Write your name and find different letters in your name. And with those letters, different letters in your name, draw something. And with those letters, okay, you have to draw something. Everyone understood the homework? Okay. Everyone understood the homework? Today what you have to do, students? You have to write your name first. Students, you have to write your name. Write your name first. Then draw something with those letters. First. Then draw something with those letters. Okay? Everyone understood? If you have any doubt, everyone understood? Just if you have any doubt in the chat box, or else raise your hand so that I will help you. Type it in the chat box, or else raise your hand so that I will help you. Sumaya, you have dear? Yeah. Sumaya, you have dear? Yeah. Aishman, wait dear, I'm coming on to you. Aishman, yes, wait Sumaya, dear, what is your doubt? To you. Yes, Sumaya, what is your doubt?
No. No doubt.
No doubt? Okay.
No.
Okay, thank
No
you.
doubt.
No doubt? Okay. Okay, thank you. Ayushman, what is your doubt, dear? Ayushman, what is your doubt, dear?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay, no, as you raise your hand, so I thought you have any doubt. No doubt. So okay, let me unmute Myra. So I thought you have any doubt. So let me unmute Myra. Myra, just raise your hand here. Myra, just raise your hand here. Yeah, here. Myra, please unmute and tell me what is your query. Myra, please unmute and tell me what is your query.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
वालेकुम सलाम जी मैम।
जी मैम, ये जो बच्चों का रिजल्ट आया है, जी मैम, ये जो बच्चों का रिजल्ट हमारे जो ये जो मायरा सलीम है ये पेड नहीं है। पहले हमारे जो ये जो मायरा सलीम है यहाँ पे वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हुई, उस वजह से इसने थोड़ी क्लास फिर यहाँ पे वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हुई, उस वजह से इसने नेट बंद ही था, उस वजह से फिर मैं नेट बंद ही भर पाई, उस वजह से रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, नहीं भर पाई, जो बच्चे का रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, जो बच्चे पेड नहीं है,
क्योंकि ना वो रिजल्ट्स का कुछ अलग है, क्योंकि ना वो
वो कैसे हम कंफर्म करेंगे जी, वो कैसे हम कंफर्म करेंगे
कि प्लीज मेक अ कॉल टू मी और एल्स लाइक दैट, कुछ ऐसा लिखिए कि प्लीज आप अपनी क्वेरी लिख दीजिए, कुछ ऐसा लिखिए और एल्स आप अपनी क्वेरी शायद आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाएगी वहां पर।
ओके, थैंक यू,
शायद आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाएगी वहां पर।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू। या, एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट? Very good, Ramesa.
Yeah.
Like anyone have any doubt? Very good, Ramesa. Like this only you draw something related to that. Okay. Right. And you have to share the video something related to that. Okay. Photos is also okay. Completely okay. Photos is also okay. Completely okay. Any doubts, students? Any doubts, students? No doubts? So shall I end this class here only? Charvisha is ready with her name. So shall I end this class here only? Charvisha is ready with her name and drawing as well. Students, think by yourself and draw. Students, tell your mom that mommy think by yourself and draw. Tell your mom that mommy E for elephant, engine, E for this you have to tell. Okay. For tell your parents that to tell, and you only think. Tell your parents that. Okay. And you only guidance and draw. Okay. Okay. Take just guidance. So with this, students, I'm going to end my class here only. So take care of your health. I'm going to end my class here only, and take care of your health. Bye. Stay home. Bye everyone. And be safe. Okay. Bye. Bye everyone.